Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to put a shirt on a hanger without stretching it. And this will be a tutorial, so let's get right into this instructional tutorial video. As you can see right here, this is a hanger and I have a shirt down here, okay? Now, oftentimes when you put a shirt on a hanger, you have the top of the shirt and you get the hanger and you sort of feed it in from one side and then to the other side like this as well. And that works, well, for the most part, if your shirts have a stretchy neckline or if they have a larger neckline. But when you have a shirt that has a different type of neckline that doesn't stretch as much, then you can stretch the shirt by doing that. So by putting the shirt on the hanger like this, in that sort of regular way, you can stretch out the shirt. It's just over time when you stretch the shirt, it's not going to fit you as well. So there's a different way to do it. And basically what you want to do is go to the bottom of the shirt. So right here, this is the bottom of the shirt, okay? This is the bottom opening of the shirt, and it's sort of the part that goes around, like your waistline, that area, and it's much larger than the top of the shirt that goes around the neckline. So basically, with the bottom of the shirt over here, I'm going to feed the hanger through, but I'm going to feed it with this hook part first. So I'm feeding the hanger through the bottom part of the shirt with the hook part first, just like that, okay? And then what we're going to do is we're going to pull the hanger out via the hook part like this, and it's going to end up being on the shirt in the same way, but there's it makes it way less likely that it's going to stretch the neckline, because instead of the neckline having to go around this large part, you're just getting this small part to go through the neckline. So it makes it way less likely that the shirt will stretch. And it's literally that simple. That is how to get a shirt on a hanger, without stretching it. Really, really easy to do. I've shown you and told you exactly how to do it. Super easy. And hopefully you've enjoyed this video tutorial. I kept it short, sweet, and straight to the point. Hopefully you enjoyed it. I've got nothing else to say, so we're going to roll the outro. If you like this video tutorial, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.